One of the oldest and largest dams in Jamaica sits quietly in western St. Thomas. There is no confirmed date of construction, no official documentation, and almost no public knowledge that it even exists. Now, with no answers on record, the only option was to go and see it for myself. As usual, I headed out to locate this dam, hoping to uncover clues about why it was built and what purpose it once served.
Oh God, see the dam here, guys.
I found the dam, but what I learned along the way turned out to be far more serious than I expected.
Something was here. Yeah guys, so this column is a column that the banana tram normally run on. This is in St. Thomas, I'm in Western St. Thomas. The other column would be over there and the tram lines would be above the road. However, the other column was removed and the trams aren't used again. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go over into the bushes over there. There's a building that's over there that they used to do the banana, where the tram lines went. It's similar to a train line, that's where it went, and I'm gonna trace back the lines from that building back out to this column. Wonder if you don't understand me a while ago. Alright, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Yeah guys, so as I said, that column that I showed you, it's where the train line or tram line normally come over the road from somewhere up in the Plantain Garden Valley. I'm not sure where, but they normally transport the banana by way of tram or train, because I'm hearing that it's trams. However, I heard that it's trains, but I can't find any information online about it, so that's the reason I plan to come out and see it. And it was the dam I was actually looking at why I saw this on satellite footage, and when I brought it back to 2016, I saw the building, the ruins, and get to realize how to get there. And I actually saw, well, I'm gonna show you on screen, I could actually trace the train lines, you know. So I'm heading up there, find that building, explore it, and then try to trace the train lines back to the column. And then the dam would be like a 3 minutes walk down the road from the column, and like a 2 minute walk from the main road in the bush. But you know, the bush, a 2 minute walk can actually become, you know, a 15 minute or half an hour walk. So yeah guys, all right, yeah. So guys, I just met a subscriber, you know, someone who watches my videos. So I was walking on the main road, a car was at the fruit stand buying fruits. Someone was buying fruits, and there was a hand protruding from the car that called me around on the other side. And I went there and said, and she said, like, I I didn't know I would meet you this early, this quick. And I was like, you know, me kind of confused. She said she was just watching the video and it's my walk that she saw, you know. And it's just amazing meeting someone who watches the videos and is happy to meet me. It just makes me feel, and it just makes me know I'm doing something good, you know. And but that's what I make nice. Can you see him? I know say I feel me hard and I have to come up there. But yeah, it's really amazing meeting people like that in the street. Alright, so I didn't get the name, but big up and thank you for watching the videos. Alright. This is a lonely road, guys. But that's where I come from. So I have to take off my shades now because I see things in the bush. Over there, so that building over there, I'm not sure. But there should be a large building where we're going. I'm showing it my satellite footage. Oh, I think I showed you it already. I'm showing it again. Yeah. Guys, you remember that video I did when I went to the Bremerville plantation? Around this side reminds me of around that side. You hear them sound of the tree I make? Wow. Creepy. I wonder if it's here. Now I look for an open land like this. For one container. Then I make light. I feel like around here so still, but I don't see the container. I don't see the container. But I see tire truck. One truck come out here so I would wait. So it could be when they put in the container, or it could be that they took it out. But anyway, I think this is the place. Look how the place creepy, man. I don't know. I think this is the place. I'm supposed to follow the fence line here and go up in the hill. Wow, that's gonna be. Whoa. I'm already creeped out for some reason. I don't know why. Long that's where I come from, peeps. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to find the fence line. Alright. This is the fence line, yeah, so one truck for there, you know. Trust me, one truck for there. There is no possible way one truck no there. And the building they don't there, so. One truck for there. But look at it. Wow, all this one. So all down here, so. One truck for there. Go up on the hill, now go up further still. On road, they're down here where the truck them would leave from with the banana to go Bowden when the tram drop them off, or it could be the extension of the train line. So I try to find that entrance there because it don't look like we can go through the bush to go up there. So this come like when me look for the when I was looking for the tower in Chiswick, when I was trying to fight the bush when I could have just one truck there. Alright, just in case the road is not there, then we'll try that truck there. But I think the road will be better. Alright. Because when I was in Chiswick looking for that tower, I tried to climb up the bush when there was a road. So let me check. Because the building, it has to have a proper entrance. There is no possible way it doesn't have a proper entrance, and I'm seeing where there's an entrance around here. So yeah, I'll check it out. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, please do so as you watch right now, you know, because maybe when you finish what you'll forget. And if you haven't given the video a thumbs up as yet, please do so, as that really does help the channel. Alright, yeah man. as I said still though guys, as I said, this place, I'm not seeing any information about this place. Anybody who's from the area and know about this place, please let me know, because it seemed that it was built after 1804. I'm not sure about the tram way for the banana when that was built, but I think it was also built after 1804, you know. And I think why the history is hard to be found is because of the Portland banana situation. You see me? So I see if I see the road up here, so I can't take, because there should be a road, a driving road, where come down and come across that road here. So I see if I find it. Thank you all for joining, guys. Really appreciate you all being here. Alright? Yeah man. Gonna follow me. Wanna see him? You see him a while ago? A mongoose just run across the road. He's gone in the bush in there, so I have to check back the footage on my edit. See if I see him. Around the dam. It's a crocodile around the dam, you know. However, as from here, and big up to Eastside Media, who gave me some really good information about this place, you know. Blessings family, because I wouldn't hear about that place if I never came. I wonder for the road is. No, bush around there, so it should be a proper driving road, and I think we'll get closer to it. It should be a road, even if it's not proper, but there's a road there. More for it. Oh, I check my map and see if I can find a reference point. Oh, I'm gonna reach it, guys. See that? I'm gonna reach it because I come down here, so down here, so I come. Let me show you. How the place there? You know, I pass it, you know. But the road for up here, so. Alright guys, I check this on. The road for the somewhere down here, so it come out, you know. Now check back and get back to y'all. Alright. That one is sticky because look over here, so look like on a road that they over here, so. But I can't see the ground, and like I don't know about it. It's not all over here. You know? But I look still. This look like one gully down here, so. It's another road. So one gully. Looks like an entrance, but it's a gully. Like water run through here, so. So now go down further and see if I can ride the fence line up there, or if I can pick up where the old road come out. And I guess either one fence that look like one fence. One fence line. Alright, I'll go down further. The road around them, if you can't find the road, I don't know why I not find it. I feel like I can see the road there now, man. I don't know why I feel like I can see the road there. Because the only places for me see one road could have got through. around the place, this you see. So one road could have got through and a gully down there. Alright, I'll go back down, go check. Down there. Let me check down the road. Tram line come out. Alright, so if it isn't a road, that means there is a tram line would have come out. But where it would have go? Because I know up there so I don't see it. So I look out for that if I see one tram line. I know column or nothing where to the run upon. Because there is a road that should be here. I mean I don't know how I not see it. And it's like it's a while nobody no go up there. No, that is not a. It's a track this. No. There's some stone. This place well bush up. So I'm telling myself if I really find somewhere bush up in the machine now, I'm gonna make it better, you know. Because what I could have do with the machine around here, so you know. I just have to find something to go through, I can go through neat. I know I have a machine to me, I worry say it have cut me. You see me? So, if we go back down the road, let's see. Because there should be an entrance. Or an entrance rather. There is no column where the tram line would have come out on. No, no road down here so either. It's still a little opening and things so it's a truck. I'm not sure that. Wow, that's a nickel. Alright still. Guys, and there's a difference between nettle and cowitch. Cowitch are the big leaf one, where have the thing where grew up on the tree where it look like a little pod. Don't make that touch you, seriously. Nettle are something where we can deal with. Nettle not really, nettle are the fine leaf one. You know, one just touch me. But one thing when nettle touch you, don't rub the area, don't scratch the area. You see me? Because it only go spread the thing them around and make it scratch even more. You know. I see like me I see road. I go up in the hill. But it's not a road, I just the bush open up. And now I find the track, guys. There should be a track and there should be, if it's not a road that goes up there, there should be columns where the tram would have come out. And this is somebody property me no want to cross the center, guys. This wouldn't wise. You know? That wouldn't wise. There's a truck, there's a road. There's a road. I just don't know how to find it. Alright, so this look like a road that go cross over this, alright? Yeah? This is a road go cross over this, so it look like we'll go down there, so. But now the road now over the side here. That's so long nobody no go over the place there. This is the next road over the side here. We would have go down there, so here this is a road. we'll go down there. So that means that the next road for the over on the side, yeah. Which should be right where them fence posts are there. But no road no over there. This is not something we can go through today, no guys. The building the further back over there, so this really not something we can go through today. If we could have seen a truck where I go around there, but I don't see any. Oh, hold on, let me see if we can go across this open land. Let me check out the open land and see if we can go across there. The opening there in the south that look like one road that go up. I feel like this is the road come out, guys. Yeah? Because our next road, I see the fence line. I think the fence line this. If the fence line this, it come out further up, but they look like it did cut after. If you come out this, this is the fence line. This is the building. The open land. So the building the behind the open land, right over behind the open land over there. So the building the behind the open land. Where it look like somebody live up there, so it's like me see one house. Guys, I now feel that one today, no? No, I can't see in this bush. This bush coming like. Guys, I leave the one there for the next day. I come back with somebody. Yeah, my spirit has told me to come back with somebody. I have something to show now. Guys, you know I'm not going to go and turn back. But this, I have to do this another day. You know, because it looks like somebody live over there. It looks as if someone lives over there. Because I saw a little blue something like tarpaulin up in the bush. And I think I have to come back with somebody. But I'm showing the dam still. Yeah? So, I could go to the dam. I'm really sorry about that. That is for another day. But one fence, the fence line come up here, so you know. Wonder if... No, this is for your next day, guys. This really is for your next day. You know? Yeah, guys, so as I showed you all from satellite view, you know, see it there. It's not like it's not there. It's there, but it's just for go across the bush. So now I'll come back. I'm gonna return with someone. Somebody who can assist me, and them can just chop out the bush and go over there. Yeah. You know, but I'm not gonna take on that one at this time because it's already kinda late. And I wanna show y'all the dam. That's the main thing I wanna show y'all, alright? Roll up a bamboo. The building is around there, behind them bush here. Yeah. Pipeline. I am now wondering if now we can access it from the front. Oh, fence line. guys, that's the only access point to this thing, unless me try to trace the train lines where they were from out on the front. I mean, I think them still there. I think they took up those lines, you know. I see no other access point apart from out there. So, and if round here so block up, you can just imagine out there. But one way to find out and is to check. Yeah guys, and the next time I come back, I'll be coming with a drone also, because that would really assist me in seeing this place. Yeah, and machete and someone to help me. Yeah. So with the point where I go back down. This is the building that we are looking at from satellite footage, out at the end of the road, the main road right down there. So yeah, also we're in the correct location. The building is there, and I don't like when me go out on the road to go find something and me not get to reach, you know. But that would have been a bit sketchy, because I'm not sure if there were holes, and you see how the bush them grow. There isn't a clear track or anything like that, so I have to come back early with me in a proper gears. But there are gonna be a lot of places like this year where I go and see the place, and I have to go prepare and return. Alright, so y'all no vex with me. I really do apologize. I think more than see it. Yeah, that's the main road out there. These are the buildings that are in the front. Yeah guys, so the building is up on that hill, back further in the bush, as I showed you from satellite footage. Alright, this road would follow this. The lines would run across. That's one of the column. One would be over here, and the lines would run go up there. But as you notice, it's private property, and I was told that I should not enter the property. I heard that from I was hearing about the place. So this is one of the columns where it would run, and the lines were removed from over here. I know that because Clarityflex did a video out here when he showed the lines. I can show you that clip from this video. I'll send you a link here. So we are head down to the dam now, but I'm still curious about the building that's up there. It's like nobody no remember say one building up there, and it's a very large building, as you all notice. So hopefully somebody is willing to accompany me, where me and them can take it down and chop out the bush and find this building. Alright, so that we can really find out what it was all about. Because sometimes seeing these places, when you see the place, you get a better outlook as to what was normally done in the location. Alright, so the over in the bush up on the hill, but a good distance from this road. Okay. So we are going down. Watch your man. Guys, you know me I walk and you see that tree there, right? When you look at that tree over there, it looks like concrete, and it shapes like it's man-made. It's not shaped like something where it's natural. It looks man-made, and then when I came up and went beside it, well, went adjacent to it, then I saw it was a tree. You look there. You see that? It's a tree. Alright, so we almost reached the dam. I'll get back to you. Guys, so this is the road. I think this is the road that goes up to the dam. So let us see. Already I can see that it's someone's property. I wonder if how do you get down here? So the dam the further up. Alright, let me see if we can access it from the road. Try that first. Yeah guys, so the dam that we're looking for is somewhere across here. So yeah, we'll see if we find it. It look like around that side here. Guys. It's a big dam, you know, guys, and I don't know if I can reach a little stream over here, so over the dam they down there, so I have to go back down there, so. Right around here, so. Whoa. There, so. Cross one stream and go up one hill. Water down so. Something I like to do on this thing. Right, this is the stream. To go up the hill. Whoa. What a body. About the truck. So, guys, greenery. People tell me it's a crocodile in the bush, but I'm afraid, you know. I've never encountered a I've never encountered a crocodile before. And it's not one of my dream of encountering. Oh God. See the dam here, guys. We got here quick. Yeah? We got here very quick.
This is one of the largest man-made dams in Jamaica. But no one knows when it was built, and there's no official record of it at all. As you can see, it just sits quietly here, surrounded by bush and almost forgotten. A little distance down the road, as I showed you earlier, there were two columns. Now it's only one. Some say they used to be part of a tram system, not a full railway, but a tram that carried goods, maybe bananas, from the plantation down toward the Bowden wharf. I can't say for sure yet, but the layout definitely makes you wonder.
Here, guys. We go over there, sir. We go look. What's the second part down there? I heard this dam is 60 feet, you know, guys. Like 60 feet high. And I think the same amount of distance in feet across. Whoa, it's really high, you know, guys. It's really high. However, if we go a little further, I think I really want to go out no further because I know see where the truck they would, you know. Oh, out there. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. I looked down a while ago, please. I looked down a while ago. Alright, so guys, I want to show you this. Something was here. This could be the mill, whatever it was. I'm not sure what was here. It could be a grave, but I think it was a building. Yeah. See, it's a foundation. I need to go down further. This tree is huge, guys. I hear what them say about cotton tree though. Yeah, those are the things they say about cotton tree. I'll get honest. Oh, go on down here. That's the dam, guys. You see? Something moving out the bush, you know. And them say a crocodile down here. I don't really want to take no check right there, so look like something did lay down right there. So see it, guys? Yes, so too. Guys, I don't take no check down here, so you know. I'm showing the dam from the angle here. But now I'm going to hear none of them lizards there. Buildings right here, you know, guys. Whole heap of building there. Guys, no. What's the dam up there now? But they said crocodiles are down here. And it looked like something did lay down there, so I wanna think. Cause him go up on top of the dam, so I wouldn't see them. I see him can go up on top of the dam. Buildings were here. Lots of buildings were here, guys. I don't know. And I think I have to go around there. Let me know in the comment section. This is the dam walls, guys. Really huge. Why am I afraid? Something, I just think there's something there down there, like, I just think crocodile down there. I've never encountered a crocodile and people keep on telling me say crocodile down there. And I know in the comment section people are telling me say crocodile down there. I don't know how them, guys, I don't know how crocodile act, I don't know how them move, I don't know what to look for. And my heart a beat. All because somebody tell me say crocodile down here. And no crocodile no must down here no. I want to see the thing yo. I don't know if me buck up on that thing then them go bite me. That's what the best me can do you know. Bring some stone down there. Let me see if nothing react. Bring some stone. I'll see if me hear nothing moving on the bush. Water that. That a deep water. I hope I'm walk come down around there so make sure look from now. That a deep water. I'm not go out there now guys. Something I tell me not to go out there. This is a dam guys. I'm gonna go up on the top and see if I can show you some more. Something I tell me not to go out there. I not like the idea to go out there. Today is not a good day, I swear. I'm scared today, I don't know why. And if my instinct I make me scared, I'm not fight it. Because I'm not really the person who gets scared easy. Damn the peeps. But I can show you all a small drone footage of it if I can get to go over there to see it.
From what I can tell, however, this dam is huge, and I think it might have been used to generate hydroelectric power, possibly for that tram system, and maybe even to support the plantation. Of course, I don't have all the facts as yet. This is just my theory based on what I am seeing. I'll keep searching and hopefully piece together more of the story very soon.
I'm going to try go across. Guys, my fear of heights not allow me to do it. Because when I reach in the middle, I have to go turn back. I don't know how I go do that. You understand? It make me feel like I go down, like I drop. You know, I don't like the feeling like give me. Once I reach out to that side here, out here so, I just start panic. And I need to overcome my fear of heights. You see? I can't go no further. See the water out there so peeps? I just want to go right there so. I see I can walk down on the lower part. Oh, let me turn. You see I can walk on the lower part and come around and see it. When I go up high, guys, it make me feel like I go drop, like it just have a pull me down there. I don't like the feeling. So I'm gonna try walk down here so. This feels a bit safer, but the tree fusing at the dam, I can't go. Let me see something. Well, reach this far. See the guys, the water that out there so. Let me sit down. Look at the water out there so. And the dam wall run across. It's huge, you know, guys.
I tell you, I never know so this there's none at all.
And this is about 3 miles long.
The river?
Yes, gone all the way up so. And dividing our L shape.
But I have a heights problem. See, that's down there. See the dam wall I go cross over there so. And you see the water there. And that are down the next side. I know my heart a beat me up there so. I just want to go out a little more, you know. Let's get the camera out there. See that, guys? That's the dam. It look like it. You see? The water so green. It look like a just sun. And you see it look white like a sun, and it's a dam out there. But guys, I not check and go down there so. I don't know down there. I'm think crocodile down there. When I see a normal bush this, so I'm not afraid of bush, but I heard that crocodiles are here, and then with the water that's here, I would suspect that crocodiles are here, and it's just like minutes away from the Holland Bay Crocodile Sanctuary. So yeah, we'll see if we can get back out here. Yeah guys, we mess with other things but not heights and not crocodile. Sooner or later I'll overcome my fear of heights too, I think. But guys, this dam, it's not listed on any. This dam is not listed on any colonial records. Yeah guys, so this dam, it's not listed on any colonial records. I have tried to find it, and shout out to Selvin who gave me information about the column across the road which the tram or the train normally ran on. And shout out to Eastside Media who told me about this dam. You can check out a video on his channel which he did where you actually see the dam better. You understand? I'm not biased because you know I'm not a gatekeeper. You see it? Because I'm afraid of heights. But anyway guys, it's not listed anywhere. Neither is the building that I went to look for. That is not listed either. So I don't know what they were doing around there, but none of those buildings, well, even the banana place that I tried to look for, it is not listed. It's just in looking for the dam, and I knew that the column was out there where the train normally ran. So my age regress it. Is that the right word? When I bring it back in time, I go back in time with the map and I saw the building. It's a long building with the zinc top. And checking, people told me that it was the banana thing that they used to transport the banana there and then to Bowden. Which as I showed you guys, I found the road across the road, that road that led to Bowden. The one on the other side of the road was supposed to go up in the bush for me find the building. I don't find that. That is nowhere to be found. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna return because it's close by. I can get here, and I'm gonna return with someone who can help me to chop out the bush them. Who can take with time, because that's nothing you do in a hurry. Because there could be holes in the ground and stuff like that are deep in a bush. Me just sit down, I talk to you. But there could be holes in the bush and stuff like that. So that is not something you do in a hurry. That is something where you take your time, chop and go through. You understand? And that same day that we do that, with company, I'll return and we go down at the bottom down there, so down at the dam, and I'll show you the dam wall from that side, because that should be a magnificent view. Like, I can't wait to see it, but I'm not gonna go down there alone. I'm afraid of crocodile. I not even know if I'm afraid of crocodile because I've never encountered one, but as from me here, I wouldn't want to. And I'm scared of heights. I think if someone was here with me, maybe it would have go a little further, you know, because I would have somebody I talk to and them thing there. But all of these sites that I'm gonna get through, I'll be returning. I'll also be returning to Beacon Hill, and with the Mount Felix, I'll be going to House Hill. Alright? So if somebody want to give me one of them house up on Mount Felix for camping overnight, or we can head out early go House Hill, I would really appreciate it. Alright? So, yeah. Let me show you now the way out. So guys, I look up here, so I'm still like one trap line up further. Concrete, you know. See the dam wall down here, so. Next time, I don't make nobody tell me about no alligator and a crocodile or nothing like that, because that really scared the hell out of me. That's the dam wall, guys. Look at me, can't go down there, so I want to go down there and show you from that side there. People tell me about alligator. Alright, walk up there, so it's very easier. You hear them sound there? On that side there, with the water there, the alligator would more for them on that side there. No, seriously. Alligator would more for them on that side there, because see the water there, so guys, you see the water now? Look, me showing the water now. No, on a serious note, the alligator would more for you over the side here. Because look on the water, but where them would have come from to reach up here? I'm not sure, but that's the dam wall, guys. And it's a wide dam. Yeah, I'm really scared today. Man, I'm supposed to can feel it to the way I'm scared. So that's the dam wall. That's the water out there. And because them say crocodile around here and it look like crocodile would have over here, so I'm not going no further. And I know I'm not going wrong me either. You know, I'm going to hold up under this. So you see the same thing I show now? I'm gone, because that look like one crocodile would. Because I don't know how them things live, I don't know how them, I don't know them habitats stay. I don't know nothing about them like that. So I'm not take no check. Something in the bush and move. Guys, something like this and move. You hear that? You stop. Sound like one dog. And then the music a play past out the road now, I can't hear it. I could have sworn me hear one dog a while ago, you know. Come out of that place, sir. I don't like over here, sir. I have to come back with company. You hear somebody come across and I hear somebody come across. Where that one? You hear something to be safe up there? You hear so? The truck, yeah? You want me to do this? This is the truck. And place some twist anchor place. Run through the water here quick. Before the alligator then come. Okay, they're supposed to fast, you know. So I think they lay down on the belly and run. Yeah, I never enjoyed that one of those, I swear. But I'm glad I came and saw, because I can carry somebody and come back. Come see it better. And I see the trap there. These are the things I don't like when I feel like I get lost. I don't know so around this anymore. So what I'm for? Yeah, so. Yeah. Surely up, so. The road up there, so. Alright. So we go up there, so. Yeah. Guys, we're back on the road. Yeah. We're back on the road, guys. Yeah. Guys, I really did not enjoy this one. I was scared the whole time. You know? See over the look there? That's where we're coming from, in those bushes. The bush, we don't have hills. The bush them cut out for me today. Yeah? But I did not enjoy this one. I wanted to stay longer. I was trying to stay longer. That's why I sat in the bush speaking to y'all, just to overcome that little fear there and see if I would have feel a little braver if we go down in the gully. But no, so hopefully I get somebody who can accompany me. Eastside Media has been around there already, so I don't know, maybe he could accompany me to go up there. See the water here, guys. This is where the water come from. This is the water we go back up to the dam, you know. So alligator them could have come from across the road, go under and go up. I don't know if I saw them work, but until I find out, I don't want to find out that personally. Would I prefer if somebody tell me? Yeah. So I'm heading back down to the column, back to the fruits man, and let him know so I come back out of the bush safe. I'm not showing the fruits man start because he's all out here in the wilderness, and you know, like, you can get fruits to buy when you pass. So thank you all for joining. It was really a pleasure having you all here. It was tiring. I like the exercise. I like when I go home and I feel tired, but I never enjoyed that one here. First thing the building, I couldn't find the road where me need for take to go over the building. And it wouldn't be right for just two things. It wouldn't be right to go up on the property that way there without first consulting somebody, because there's a gate and a fence, obviously. Yeah? And it wouldn't be safe for me alone go. You know? And thirdly, it wouldn't be wise to do it quickly. As to the hours, now about minutes after 4, so the sun will go over the hill. I think it already, I don't know if I see it, but yeah, the sun will go over the hill. Yeah, could be almost 5 o'clock too. Alright, my phone dead, I don't know. But that wouldn't be wise to try to do it quickly. So even if I'm me alone I come back, I would have to do it in the morning and take my time, go through, where I can know if holes are over there. Alright, and around there, I'm gonna go back around here. I need to see the dam from this side, and that will be before Beacon Hill, because I told you guys I'm gonna go back to Beacon Hill, but I'm gonna do that before I do the Beacon Hill. Alright, hey guys, these are the fruit stall, you know. Any fruits you need in the wilderness. You realize we're in a wilderness? It's a wilderness, so you know, you stop here. If you're going to Portland or coming from Portland, you can stop here and get your fruits, the apples, the oranges, the pineapple. You can get vegetable too, your tomato, your garlic, your tomato, your onion, your cucumber, cabbage. You know, you get everything. Yam. Where I say, bro?
That is it, man. Blessings
Yes, man.
and boss. I don't know one shop done, you know.
True,
Yeah,
true,
man.
true.
Yeah, link him up on the TikToks, you know.
Alright.
Very nice, isn't it?
Alright. State your number so them can get it.
803 46 94.
803 46 94.
Yeah, man.
Alright, because I put it on the screen, you know. Is it?
Yeah, man, do it right.
Yeah. Yam, guys. You see how yam them pretty?
Blessings.
Put for them ginger. Well pretty. So guys, y'all can shout out Shop Done and check him out on the TikTok and the Instagram. Alright? Yes, man. You see? I just get my fruits too. Yeah guys, and this is a newly opened hardware out here in Arcadia. I just gotta show you all this. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can find out what them sell. And just give them a free promotion because I like this. I like to see businesses opening. Alright, well let me find out first. Yeah guys, out here in Arcadia. Arcadia out here, Sonny, though? Hello? Arcadia?
Yeah, you can Pleasant Hill right here.
Pleasant Hill?
Yep, here.
Okay. Out here in Pleasant Hill, guys. By the way, that is just open. So if you all need your blocks, hardware supplies, and you sell everything, though? Your blocks and your hardware supplies, you can check out this hardware. Alright. Golden budget hardware. Alright. See, they have the delivery truck also. And there's the number. Block, steel, sand, cement. Alright. Yeah guys. Yeah, so I want to check them out if you all need your hardware stuff. Alright. Blessings. Yeah, so catch up with y'all and thanks for watching. Stay blessed.
Yeah guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video, because that's an exploration I honestly did not enjoy. I enjoyed finding the dam, but otherwise from that, no. First, the building that I went to look for, it's there, I know it's there, but it seems no one has been there for a very long time. And why was this banana, the banana industry, why are these buildings not listed, and why it coming like they were just wiped from history? Because it's weird. I'm not finding any info. Anybody who have any information, please get in touch with me or let me know in the comment section down below. You know, because there is just no information about even the dam. What I think, as I said in the video, because that dam is an industrial dam, it's not just a little farm dam. I think that dam was used, and this is my theory, not fact. You know, I think that dam was used to generate hydroelectricity so the tram cars could work
the tram cars that took the banana to the loading point and then to Bowden. And it was also used for like to water the plantation and stuff like that. That is what I think, you know. There's also another technique that I've seen them use in other places where the water is used to transport the bananas down from the farm. There's a trench running along the farm where the water transports the bananas down and then they are taken off and loaded to tram cars. I'm not sure, you know. With the crocodile situation, I'm scared of something that I don't even know if I'm scared of. But I'm gonna return. This is gonna be one of the quickest returns. I'm gonna go back around here, myself and the Eastside Media, and y'all will get a good coverage this time, and y'all will see the dam up close and personal for the first time in its entirety. Yeah? The building now, that's a different story. I need to have someone with me to assist me. Guys, the thing is, may I get all? I have the information and I have sources to get the information. I may have the strength, the vigor, I can, yeah. But my eyesight is not 100%, as you all know. So sometimes when at the bush, I will miss small details. You know, I wish there was someone who had a passion for history the way I do, who could assist me or accompany me when going on these explorations. But so far, that's hard to come by, you know. But because basically me not do these things just to get the views. We do it for the views because no one does YouTube not for the views. But it's not just about that. It's about completing the history. It's like going out to find something practically and finding it and completing the research. But if I can't find the thing, then it's not completed, and then me left feeling incompleted, you know. But guys, I'm gonna want well up all of y'all time. Thank you all for watching. Really enjoy the support. Thank you for being here. And yeah, until I see you again, stay blessed.